Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to attach an image to your email on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Microsoft Outlook application as well as an image that we will be attaching to the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook application, search for this, enter to open up the application. Now let's wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, we will compile a brand new email by navigating to the top left corner of the screen where we have new email. Before we do that, make sure that you are signed into the account. We can now move on to compiling the email. Click on new email. Let's now compile the email before we do anything. Hello, this is a test email. Please see the attached image. Kind regards, admin. Subject, test email. Let's move on to recipient. We will be sending this to the Computer Science Videos Business Gmail account. Double click on this to expand the email address, ComputerScienceVideosBusiness@gmail.com. Now what we will do is minimize Outlook for the moment. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Find application. Go to Pictures. Select an image we wish to attach to the email itself. Highlight, Command C to copy, go to the desktop, Command V to paste, close out of Finder, change the name of the image to, let's just say, image1.png. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to the email that we are compiling. So the first way to attach an image would be attach file. This will take us directly to the desktop where we have image1. Click on this. Now choose the image. Let's now remove. And the second way to attach an image would be go to pictures, picture from file. This will take us directly to the desktop as well. Click on image.1.png. Now click on insert. And this itself will attach the image within the email and not as an attachment. If we wish to reattach to the email, let's now delete that image, go back to attach file, image1 png, and that's now attached to this email itself and not in the email. So we can now click on send. This will send the image and the whole email to the Gmail account. Click on send. By that notification, we do know that the email has now been sent, so we can now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to another web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's navigate to our Gmail account. Top right corner, click on this, click on the email that was sent to us. Hello, this is a test email. Please see the attached image. Kind regards. Click on the image. That was the same as the previous tutorial, and there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.